Okay. So today we are going to start International System of Numeration, right? Today we are going to start International System of Numeration. In commas help us in reading and writing large number. Already in the last class we have learned commas help us in reading and writing large numbers. In Indian system, same in international system also, commas help us to read and write. Commas help us to read and write. So commas help us to read and write. Okay. Here also we have a ones, tens and hundred. But in Indian system of numeration, we have ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Correct. But in our international system of numeration, we have a ones period, thousand period, and millions period. Okay, so here we have a ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1,000,000, 10,000,000, and 100,000,000. Okay, for example, I will show you here. See here, for example, I have a number here 72561009. Okay, so first, according to Indian system of numeration, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. And if I have one more number, so this is crore. Correct. So we know this from the first standard. Place value we are learning from the first standard. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore. Okay. So here we have a ones period, and then thousand period, and then lakh period, and then we have a crore period. Correct? Isn't it? Show me thumbs. If you understood, show me thumb. Yes, very good, very good. So now international system. Okay. So same number I will copy. Okay, what I have written number, same number I will copy here. 8, 7, 2, 5, 6, 1, 0, 9. I copy same numbers. Can you see the number? Can you see the number? Yes. So now we will write this number according to international system of numeration. Okay. Yes. So here also we have a ones and tens and hundreds. It is same as Indian system of numeration up to 100. Okay. Up to 100. Ones, tens, 100. In Indian system also we have a ones, tens, and 100. After that, here it's a 1,000, 1,000, and next this is 100, 10,000, and this is 100,000.
100,000.
Okay. Understand? In our Indian system, we have 1,000 and 10,000. Only we have 1,000 and 10,000. We don't have 100,000. But in international system of numeration, we have 100,000. Okay. And next we have a million, 1 million, and then we have a 10 million. Okay. So how we have it in Indian system? How we have periods? Ones period, thousand period, crore periods, and lakh periods. Same here also we have a period, but slight difference we have. Okay. So we have first three letters are ones period. Okay. First three numbers are ones period, and then three are thousand period. Thousand period. And then another next coming three are million. Okay, now these two. Now in this number we have only two. So these two are million period. Okay. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So one example I will show you. See here, it's a house of three rooms. International system is a house of three rooms. See here, I have a 3 rooms here. Okay, can you see this box? Next, another 3. Next, another 3. Understand this carefully. So, we have a house of three rooms. So, now I will write the numbers in these columns. Okay. So, here I will write 7, 2, 1, 8, 4, 7. Here, can you tell me any number? Anyone?
8,
8,
3,
3.
1.
Yes, very good, Bhavna. So here I have numbers, right? Can you see the number? Can you see the number?
Yes, ma'am.
So according to international system, this is ones period.
Yes, ma'am.
This is ones period, and this is thousand period.
Points. Yes, what?
This is thousand period, and this is million period. This is million period. Okay. So here we have to add these 3 digits and we have to read it as a one single number. Okay. So
Yes,
this is 721, that we can read it as a 721. How can we read it as?
721.
So 721 million 847,831. Understood? So just we will read this number and we will add this period name. We will read the number and add to the period. Read the number, add the period. Understood? So I will write here. See here. 721. 721. Can you see the numbers clearly? Can you see the numbers clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Very good. 721 million. 721 million. Next, 800.
Am I not understand?
1 minute, I will explain once again. 800. 47,000. Please, everyone, mute your audio first. Mute the audio. I can hear your TV voice. Really, it's a very disturbing. I can hear your TV voice. Please mute your audio. Mute the audio. Yes, Samina. Samina, mute the audio. Oppo A71. Yes, yes, very good. Fatima Akfa, mute the audio. Harsha, Harsha, mute the audio. Yes, very good, very good. Yes, Harsha, yes, very good. So listen. So 847,000 Next 831. 831. Here it's a very simple topic. Okay. It's a very simple topic. Just lick it, mute your audio. Yes, very good. Yes. So here we have a numbers. Here we have a numbers. So we will add these three numbers. We will read it together. 721. 721, and we will add this million period name. Okay, 721,847,831. Enough. Okay. So how can we read this?
847,831.
Yes, very good. So here we insert comma after three digits. Okay. Here we insert after ones period, and then after 1000 period, and then after million period. Bhavna, mute your audio please. Unnati, Likita. Yes, thank you. So in International System of Numeration, we insert commas after three digits. So here also we have a period like our Indian system of numeration. Here we have a ones period, thousands period, and then millions period. Okay. So commas are must. Commas help in reading and writing large numbers. Without commas, we are unable to read and write large numbers. Okay. So commas are must. Okay. So now I will give one more number. You have to try in your notebook and tell me the answer. Okay. So, write down the number. Write down the number. 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 8, 1. Is the number 2143681. Yes. Draw a houses of 3 rooms. If you are comfortable, otherwise you can do directly also. Okay. Write in words. Insert comma according to
1,43,681.
Yes. Lakh should come. Lakh shouldn't come in International System of Numeration. In only Indian System of Numeration, we use lakhs and crores. Okay. Lakhs and crores are used in Indian System of Numeration. In International System of Numeration, we have a millions and billions. Okay. In your 6th standard, you will discuss about only millions. Okay. Yes. Yes. Sneha Guna, can you answer me, pa? Unmute your audio and talk. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 2,143,681.
Yes, very good, ma. Very good, very good. Here we use commas after 3 digits and then after 3 digits. Okay, we will insert comma after 3 and then after 3, that is after 1000 period. First ones period after 1 comma and 1000 period after 1 more comma. Okay. Yes, very good, ma. It's correct. So who are all written correct, please make it right. Okay, correct. Just put a right mark. And who are done mistake, I will explain once again and correct. Okay. So 2 is in the millions place. So it's a 2 million. It's a 2,143,681. We will write it as a 2 million. It's a 2 million 43,681.
Ma'am, bate na.
681.
Oh, 600.
Understood? It's a 2,143,681. Is it okay? Are you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will give you one more sum. Okay. So this sum you have to write in Indian and international both. Okay. Only one sum. Same sum you have to write according to Indian and international system of numeration. So number is here 7, 5, 3, 8, 0, 1, 6. One more number you write down, 2. This is the number. I will repeat the number once again. 7, 5, 3, 8, 0,
7 million.
1,
7
6, 2.
Yes, 138,000. ಆಮೇಲೆ
So please parents, let them do themselves. Your kids are smart, so they can do themselves. Please allow them to do the sums. They will write the number name easily. Wait, just write. I will ask. Okay. Then you can answer for that question.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Miss Vaibhav, are you writing? Akfa? Yes, Ananya, very good. Written already?
Ma'am, 75 lakh.
Yes, Sakif.
75 lakh. 3,000.
It's an Indian system or international system? First tell me according to Indian system, okay? You have to write it in both form. So first tell me according to Indian system of numeration, and then we will go to international.
Yes, 60 TW to ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೀಯ ಕಣ
Yes, Bhavna?
7 crore. Ma'am,
Yes.
might tell.
Yes, Pa.
7 crore.
Yes, Ma.
53 lakh.
Yes.
80,000.
Yes.
162.
Yes, very good, Ma. Repeat it once again, Pa. Everybody listen. Let's repeat it, Pa, once again.
Yes, ma'am. 7 crore. 53 lakh. 80,000. 162.
Yes, very good, Ma. It's very good, very good.
बिल्कुल चीखना मारती करने स्टम्प
Yes, Harsha, can you say according to international system of numeration? Harsha, can you say according to international system of numeration? Harsha, unmute your audio and then talk. I'm unable to hear you. Unmute your audio. Yes, very good. Now it's again muted. Unmute first. Harsha, Okay, tell me now. Yes, Asha.
53.
Tell me, Pa.
Two.
Once again. Harsha, your set is still in mute mode. Yes, now tell me.
75 crore.
Manjunath, can you tell me the answer?
Ma'am.
Yes, Manjunath. Yes, Manjunath, tell me the answer.
75 million.
Yes, correct. Yes, continue the answer. Yes, Anu, tell me, Pa.
75.
75 million
Yes.
380,000
Yes, very
100.
good. Yes, very good, ma. Very good. Once again, repeat it, Pa. Anu.
75 million 380,000 163.
Yes, very good, ma. 62. Yes, very good.
75 million.
Yes. Are you all understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Yes, very good. So, just we will recap what we have learned today. Okay? So,
Okay, ma'am.
today
Ma'am.
we have learned. Mute your audio, everyone. Mute your audio and listen. Yes, very good. Yes. Ananya,
Ma'am,
yes, Pa?
ma'am, this right. 75 million.
Yes, ma.
75 million 38,162.
Not 30. No, it's not a 38. It's a 380,000.
380,162.
Yes, ma. Very good. It's correct. Okay, now it's correct. So, we have
Ma'am,
learned
this is write in
international
notes.
system. Yes, ma. I will send you the
Ma'am, we should write in notes.
Yes, ma. Before that, I
Okay.
will give theory of international system of numeration. Afterwards, you can write it in the classwork. Okay?
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am. Okay.
So, I will share the pic in WhatsApp group later. Okay? Afterwards, you
Okay,
will
ma'am.
copy that
Okay.
in a classwork. But today's homework is, you have to take your own numbers. You have to take your own numbers and you have to write those numbers according to Indian and international system both. Okay?
Ma'am, how many numbers?
5 numbers. Any 5 numbers, take a numbers and write in Indian and international system of numeration. Okay, homework. Okay? This is your homework.
Okay, ma'am.
This is your today's homework. Take any 5 large numbers. Remember, you have to take large numbers
International system of
in
numeration.
Indian and international
Okay, ma'am.
system both. Okay? So, listen once. We will
Ma'am,
glance.
today they was showing no internet connection. So you have written today's work.
What, ma?
Ma'am, they were showing as internet connection and all. Ma'am, you have Ma'am, you have wrote the classwork.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
Ma'am, you will send that.
Yeah, I will send link afterwards. I will send afterwards link. Using that, you can copy the classwork. Okay. So now,
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
yes, now we have learned Indian system and international system of numeration. In both the system, we use commas to read and write large numbers. Commas helps in reading and writing large numbers. In Indian system, we insert comma after ones period, thousand period, lakh period, and crores period. First comma comes after 3 digits, and then after two digits.
Ma'am, I can't hear anything.
But international system of numeration, we have a ones period, thousand period, and then millions period. So here we insert comma after ones period, thousand period, and then millions period. So there is no lakh and crore in international system of numeration. We use lakhs and crores only in Indian system of numeration. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Lakhs and crores comes in only in Indian system, not in international system. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you didn't understand,
Okay,
if you
ma'am.
have a doubt, just text me. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Today we will wind up here itself. So tomorrow again we will meet with a new topic. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. Bye
Bye,
bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.